So for today's video, we're going to be doing a comparison between a crochet kit company that I really love, that I just started, using their products, and also the Temu version. And I love Temu. Let me just say that. I really do love Temu. I've ordered a lot of great stuff on there. Are some things, like knockoffs? Yes. And this is probably like, of all the things that I bought, this is the most blatant knockoff, I guess. But I was curious, and so yeah, I did buy one. I know I shouldn't be supporting, people who make things or steal people's ideas and all that stuff, but I was just so curious. I had to know, are these the same? So this is the Woobles kit, the dinosaur. I bought this one on Amazon, and this is the one from Temu. And they're not 100% the same, but they are. I mean, you can see for yourself. I'll open them up, and maybe in a month or so, I will show the both finished products. I just started doing the Hello Kitty Woobles kit, and it's been really fun. It's been definitely a learning experience. I'm a total crochet beginner, but it's been fun learning this new skill, and they do a really good job of explaining everything, and their videos are awesome. So yeah, I guess let's just get into it. My son wanted a dinosaur, so that's why I chose this one next. So just to start off, this is the outside of the bag. Very similar, like just a slightly, turned dinosaur, and a little bit of a different, like it doesn't say the, this one's like the Woobles, and very similar. The bottom's very similar. The back is very similar, and the tutorials are online. So I don't know how, if they're linking to the same video or if they made their own. I don't know. I'm guessing they link to the same. I guess I'll put it in the description box since I need my phone to actually check on that. At least it doesn't have this. This is the actual Woobles one. At least it doesn't, have those things. But otherwise, it has all the same kind of info, just slightly different. So let's open up the actual Woobles kit. So this is what you get inside. You get the stuffing, of course. You get the wee wobbly bit kit. I'll open it up in a second. You get a crochet hook. This one is blue. I actually really love the Hello Kitty one, and I almost bought it because of the crochet hook. The Hello Kitty one has a Hello Kitty printed theme crochet hook, and it's the same size, but it's just super cute. And you can't, buy a cute crochet hook like that, right? So this one just has green and yellow. When I was looking it up online, people are like, why did you put it in a thing or envelope with a hole in it, right? For all these little pieces. But there's 3 sets of safety eyes, a tapestry needle, and some black yarn. The black yarn is for if you are going to give the, the Wooble to a child or a pet. These still pose a danger, a choking hazard. So if you do, you make the eyes out of this, and they show you how also. Okay, and the Temu kit, you get the stuffing, but it's like, what do you call it? It's airtight seal. You do get a blue crochet hook. This one just says 4 millimeters. Oh, that one does too. Okay, they're almost identical. I think this is like the problem, like when you have, so on the Woobles actual Wooble kit, it does say made in China, designed in the USA. So I'm guessing sometimes when you design it, but you get it sent away to be made, it's easy for them to knock it off, unfortunately. But it's also cheaper to make, I guess. So that's what's in there. You get the yarn with the starter. So this one also comes with a little starting piece so that you don't have to, you can just like jump right into it. It's the magic circle I learned, and I guess It was a little bit tricky to make. I think if you had to do this first, you may get a little scared to do the rest because this is harder than actually crocheting. They give really good directions though. So there's 3 safety, or what do you call these? Stitch markers. These are super nice. I actually bought extra from Amazon that match. I don't know why. You don't need that many of these, but I wanted to collect them. I guess, I don't know. These stitch markers feel more cheaply made. Like you can see the little plastic extra things on the top, whereas these don't. I guess you can a little bit, but these are also, they feel lighter. Not that it matters, I guess. It doesn't really affect the function. The yarns feel the same. They're pretty much the same. This one looks like it has a little fluff inside. Maybe, oh, this one does too. Okay. It's just not labeled. You get yellow, slightly different color yellow. Like this is more orangey. Sorry, I was out of frame. But very similar quality. You know, it's just packaged differently. You get actually a lot more black. And the little eyes and stuff come in this. So you get 2 eyes or 2 safety eyes. Are these the same? They're slightly different. One's raised, one's not. Otherwise, kind of the same. And the backings, kind of the same, a little bit different. Middle tapestry hook. So you get this. So I had to redo this because there's a password on the back that I didn't notice while I was talking. So this is the second time I'm filming this. But from the front, this is Temu. This is the other one of the Woobles. And I have to say this looks like a photocopy. Like the quality of the photo is just a little less like they just photocopied it, which is not really cool. They also have a YouTube, which is weird. I'm going to have to maybe do a little more research on that because I need my phone for it, but I'm filming with my phone. So I'll put in the description if it's the same, links to the same. I'm pretty sure it does. So yeah, that I'm just throwing this out there. Okay, this looks pretty much the same quality of fluff. I guess I can open it since I'm gonna eventually make it. I did stuff my Hello Kitty, so I know what the fluff feels like. Feels the same. It's a little bit whiter. Okay, I guess the same. They both have that same feeling. This one's just a little off-white and this one's white. So very comfortable. Okay, so I mean, we knew it was gonna be pretty much the same. This one was $29.99. This was $8.99, and not saying you should get the counterfeit one, but they're out there. I have to just say I really do love the Woobles, and I would love to support them. I did buy, like, I went a little crazy. I probably bought 6 of their packets because I gave 2 to my sister for her birthday, part of her present, and then I got some for myself. And yeah, so I do really love supporting. I was really curious about this. It is decent quality, to be honest. The only thing is I don't really support them using their website. Like if they made their own tutorial, I guess, I mean, what can you say? But if they're using theirs, that's kind of like straight up cheating. So do what you will with this knowledge. But I will try to make these 2 dinosaurs, and I'll show you what they look like at the end. It just might take a while because I'm a beginner and I don't have that much time. I do this like when I'm waiting at baseball or late at night. So yeah, these might take a while. So I should do 2, but I will post a photo on my Instagram maybe later on. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.